Quick reading for January the 17th to January the 18th is Scorpio. We have the full card, the Six of Wands, and the Empress. So, merong nagkakagusto sa'yo. This is probably a new person, pero hindi pa man ito masyadong um, nagsasabi, no, ng kanyang emotion. Probably dinadaan sa biro kasi parang naiilang siya because it felt like meron ditong age gap, no? Hindi naman ganun kalaki ang agwat. Well, pwede din. Pero parang, hindi naman sa nakakahiya. Para kasi iniisip niya, baka kasi i-reject mo siya dahil at first, baka kasi isipin mo parang rookie when it comes to relationship, no? Kaya medyo nahihiya siyang i-express ang kanyang emotion. Pero, ang nakikita natin, um, matagal ka na niyang tinititigan, matagal ka na niyang, kumbaga, nagfa-follow sa'yo, tinitignan yung mga stories and my days mo, no? So this is your quick reading, Scorpio, for January the 17th to January the 18th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.